kuzayikasha hamnana zeihangwe omberwa twaro mundo mu Eishengyero aho abanyishengyero batebe muri ahashanduko nkakama isoko kumusibura oguyagambo habanyishengyero batara bamwe na bamwe kandi cyangwa cyuri kumwijwaho no kugira ngo no mbarwaniriro kureba ngo bagaruzo businje omumatemba geihanga.
Honorable Colonel Charles Engola Machodogo was born on 12th October 1958 to the late Rot Jogo Nasan Engola and Ketura Engola of Awang in Iseme Oyam district.
Because it is an empire, it touches everybody's life, so you have to be everywhere. He said, I insist I am a trained soldier, I must understand my docket before I do anything. Secondly, he had a very strong passion about the young girls who work in the Arab states. He wanted to ensure that that is done within his time. And truly, at least in the last 2 years, yes, there could be some girls that are in distress, but at least the numbers and complaints have reduced because of the commitment he really put up.
Kandi babandi banyishengyero bamugambaho nkomuntu obira ryo amazima.
Ninshasha munonga nabe kayeye, ninshasha munonga nabe constituency ya Erute na district yona ezalango sub-region n'abanyayiganda bona abo kuferwe manzeje.
Ihanga ruferirwe munonga omushija w'ekitinisa muntu okorera ihanga nk'omunyamahe akakora ihanga nkamemba wa parliamenti noreba ngo ihanga ruferirwe munonga kandi nubwo ari yahumura umuringo gwagenzeremo tujaga umuntu mwijuka ngo muntu warwanirira obusinge umwihangeri wakikirira abantu be na Uganda yona mbitense byabe na leta mu parliament byona bishorongere.
Speaker w'Eishengyero yashaba polisi okufayo kuchondoza hanshonga z'abantu abakwitwa na mnonga abo abisire Isma Olaxes orukumanya mnonga nkajaja ichuri kandi yazumirira abanya-Uganda abarukujaguza bwanyuma yo kufa kw'abantu.
We want to ask all the Ugandans not to take the law into their hands. We are all human beings. We have time to be born. We have time to die. Why would you go and kill a person? We may differ in terms of religion, politics, and whichever, but I don't think that is the best thing to do.
Omberwa omugenzi nugwija kutwarwa hakishayi kororo izoba lya nyenkyakare gasha kwa Jime Muhumza omuri Kampala.